Hi everyone, quick video. I just wanted to show you what comes in the Heartfelt Love Notes Paper Pumpkin Kit. Just got mine, and already I'm excited. Rich Raspberry Stampin' Spot. And look at this really cute stamp set. Some envelopes, Happy Valentine's Day, To and From in hearts. Love XOXO, be mine. You make my heart happy. Sending hugs and kisses to you. Super cute stamp set. Okay, let's open it up. All right, you get Valentine's, and it looks like quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 Valentines. Really nice. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Already, I'm loving this ribbon. So, you've got some white ribbon with copper trim. Look how pretty. Dimensionals. Oh, and fun little epoxy little dots. Oh, this is a fun card. Look at that. You can tuck a gift card in there or a Ghirardelli square. That is fun. Okay, so these are really fun cards. Here's the envelopes. I love craft, so that's really cool. This is probably where you write your greeting and tuck it in there with your chocolate or a gift card. And then, oh, it ties. So you tie it together with a pretty ribbon. Some banners, pretty vellum, hearts and banners, and some glue dots. Let's take a look at the picture. So you've got two different varieties, two different versions, 8 of each, and they make really nice little gift card or treat holders. Really fun. There's a little ruler there so you know where to cut your ribbon. That's really cute. And they tie on the side, so the little tie closure. That is a fun little Valentine. Alright, so that is the Heartfelt Love Notes Valentine Paper Pumpkin. I hope that you like it. It's really cute. So if you already subscribed, you got this on your way. If you don't and you wish you did, let me know. Sometimes they do offer some kits after all the subscribers' kits have gone out, and sometimes I have extras as well. So let me know if you're interested in this, or become a subscriber. If you do a 3-month subscription right now, you can choose one free item from the Celebration catalog. So that's a really good thing going on now through the end of March. It's a great idea to join right now. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.